The Student Digital Pathways project will bring about real transformational change at NUI Galway with the introduction of a new student records management solution. This student-centric digital platform will place the student and staff experience at the heart of the university. By improving administrative processes and providing a more interactive platform, we'll tailor a better student journey, from recruitment to graduation and everything in between. To ensure NUI Galway meets the diverse needs of students and staff, the project will deliver flexible modes of learning, module-based programs, as well as enhanced channels of communication. Excellence, openness and technological brilliance are key to who we are, and the delivery of this project will ensure the university can pivot in a sustainable manner, creating a better study and work environment for all. The Student Digital Pathways will change how you work and learn at NUI Galway. Visit our website and see how you can get involved and be part of the change at nuigalway.ie/student digital pathways.